How would it feel to create a flourishing online business that allowed you to work from anywhere in the world? And what would your life be like if you could wake up every single day doing what you loved and knowing that every task you completed would make an impact? If this sounds like a dream, then you're in the right place, because I want to help you make that dream come true. Hey there, my name is Jessie Festa. I am a full-time travel blogger, speaker, and blog coach. And here's what I believe. I believe that through your blog, you have the power to create a profitable business that allows you to create the lifestyle that you want while helping others. I believe the true sustainability of your blog comes from nurturing a community, not vanity metrics. And I believe that because we each have our own unique skills, knowledge, experiences, and styles to bring to the blogosphere, there is room for everyone at the top, including you. But maybe right now this just seems so far off into the future, you're not even sure it's possible. Maybe you're spending days, weeks, or even months creating content that barely gets seen. Or possibly you're frustrated by the technical side of blogging and how easy it is to get stuck on back-end tasks when what you really want to do is share stories. Or maybe you just feel like you're doing all the things that Google search results tell you to do, working way past dinner time to get everything done, yet nothing seems to lead to growth. Listen, so many bloggers get frustrated and give up, wrongly believing that there are just too many other better blogs out there to compete with. But you absolutely can create the blogging business of your dreams. You don't need a fancy degree or to be an Instagram model. You just need a message that you want to share with the world and a desire to help people in some way. Now I want you to take a moment and just imagine creating a community of raving fans who can't wait to read your blog posts, open your emails, and interact with your social media shares. Becoming an expert in your niche and building a profitable blogging business around your expertise and experiences. Getting to work from anywhere in the world because your business isn't tied to any specific place. Waking up each day full of excitement and purpose because you not only love what you do, you know it will make a difference in people's lives. Now, I'm here to tell you that you, yes you, can attain all of this and more. You've already got the desire, now you just need actionable strategies to make it happen. And by the way, this is exactly what you'll get inside Travel Blog Prosperity, plus a supportive community helping to hold you accountable and helping you to hit your goals faster. Travel Blog Prosperity is my response to what I think is wrong with the blogging course world. Typically, you purchase one course on branding, then another on growing your traffic on Pinterest, then another on converting that traffic into subscribers, and so on. With Travel Blog Prosperity, you get all the strategies and support in one place. Here's how it works. Each month, a new course collection, essentially a masterclass, is added to your Travel Blog Prosperity dashboard. These powerful course collections teach strategies like how to brand your blog to be profitable, how to grow your email list with people who can't wait to hear from you, how to grow your traffic through SEO and Pinterest, how to monetize your blog through a variety of strategies like launching profitable courses, working with affiliate partners, and working with brands, just to name a few. Plus, you'll snag live monthly coaching calls, a weekly newsletter featuring paying blogger opportunities, access to a private members lounge where you can interact with other members and get support, and so much more. Over the years, I've helped thousands of bloggers turn their websites into profitable businesses. And now I want to help you too. And whether you're just starting out and need help launching your blog the right way, or have been blogging for a while but feel like you have room to grow, Travel Blog Prosperity can help. Look, when I started blogging, back before I was implementing the strategies I now teach inside of Travel Blog Prosperity, I wanted nothing more than to be able to turn my passion for travel into a career. But it was exhausting. 5 blog posts per week, days editing photos, and hours crafting social media shares published across way too many platforms left me with little to show. And when I say little, I mean I was doing a happy dance if my mom even left a comment on one of my posts. Sure, I was traveling, but I was spending more time searching for Wi-Fi than I was enjoying the places I was visiting. While I was working longer hours than ever before, I was earning almost nothing. Isn't freedom from the 9 to 5 supposed to be fun? So I changed my strategy, which, let's be real, I never had in the first place. I analyzed my daily schedule, cut out time-wasting tasks, and focused on what would grow my traffic, community, and income. Today, I run a 6-figure blogging business that allows me to be my own boss, get paid to be creative, and travel the world. This business allows me to wake up each day with purpose and create a lifestyle for myself that I love. I have time freedom to get things done when it fits my schedule, and I truly enjoy every single day of work because it allows me to put my vision out into the world. It's given me the ability to give back to causes I believe in, such as through partnering with nonprofits and ethical brands for campaigns, and donating a portion of my profits to charities I believe in, like Robin Hood New York and 100cameras.org. Best of all, my blogging business has enabled me to grow a community, one that truly feels like family, and have an impact on the world. You don't need luck to rapidly grow your email list, get thousands of visitors who read and share your blog posts, or have droves of people who purchase your products and click your affiliate links. You need a clear strategy and a proven action plan that works. And through Travel Blog Prosperity, you'll get just that. Something I absolutely love about Travel Blog Prosperity is hearing from members who've been able to use the program to grow their blogs. Like Retha, who was able to land her first paying gig as a blogger. Or Nikki, who used what she learned in the membership to grow her passive income, increase her affiliate earnings, land a number of paid writing jobs, and start working with brands. Or Janine, who is finally able to map out her big blogging goals and start hitting them. There's also Anissa, who credits Travel Blog Prosperity as being a major reason she reached her goal of being accepted into Mediavine's publisher network, helping her to increase her monthly passive income. One member, Sky, told me that Travel Blog Prosperity was the best investment she'd ever made, and that within days of signing up, she'd already received more than she could have ever expected for the monthly fee. For her, the program has been a definite game changer. Then there's Martin, who emailed me saying that Travel Blog Prosperity was the best money he and his wife had ever spent on growing their blog, even after spending thousands on travel blogging conferences, other blogger help sites, and software tools. In a testimonial, he noted, "Having Jesse on our team helps us stay focused, helps us grow in the right ways, and gives us support when we're stumped." Remember, you have the power to create the blogging business of your dreams. But in order to see it change, you need to make a change. Right now, you've got two choices. You can continue on the way you are now, moving through tasks that may or may not be working, spending way too much time on your laptop. Or you can join a community that can help you take the overwhelm out of blogging to show you just how possible turning your blog into your dream business truly is. Plus, you have nothing to lose because you can cancel at any time. Just consider, what would your day look like if you were earning thousands of extra dollars each month? What about your business? What about your life?